Okay, I just thought I would show you the fox that I made. My daughter asked me to make a fox for somebody that's very special to her. It is a gift. This is terrible lighting. I know you are not going to be able to see very well. I'm not in my craft space, and I am holding this camera very badly but this, it is not, obviously not perfect. It's the very first fox I've ever done. As you know, I've only ever done a couple of things in felting, the pumpkins mainly, and a couple of bits, so I'm still learning. But look, it took me several days and a very big learning curve along the way. I did follow a tutorial for the face, and then the rest I kind of had to make up as I went along, because there wasn't really many tutorials, and there wasn't really one that kind of had the pose that I wanted, and yeah, so that's what I came up with. There's a few things I would change again. The proportions aren't perfect. I had to mix the colours because I didn't have the right colour. But I love him. And I'm kind of sad that he's going, because I love him and I want to keep him. But my daughter's very happy and she's very excited to give the little fox. He is, he's ended up much bigger than we started out. So he's about 13 centimetres tall. So yes, and I've envisaged him kind of being about 8 to 9 centimetres tall, then he just grew, which is fine. But yes, I just thought I would show him to you, as I'm very proud of him. Yeah, so I hope you like him, and I'll keep you updated on my felting journey, and if anybody out there knows any tips that I could make him better. But I think he's sweet. Thanks guys, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.